Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I made this 35-inch Mario. Just like my other larger than matte videos, I will provide you with the SVG in the description that I used. It's already divided into sections small enough to fit a 12 by 24 mat. So what that means for you is all you have to do is upload this file, change the size, and cut it out with your Cricut. This may be one of the easiest larger than matte projects for you because there is absolutely no slicing or modifications needed for this file unless you are using a 12 by 12 mat. The first thing you need to do is upload the file into Design Space, select the entire image, and I'm going to enter 35 inches for the width. Remember to keep this lock on before resizing the image so it will automatically resize the height for you. If you come into the Layers tab, you'll see the whole image is grouped together. So ungroup the entire thing and then scroll down. You'll see the black layer needs to be ungrouped and also the blue layer needs to be ungrouped. Now, since Design Space is kind of weird, you'll have to do one additional step. If I try to continue, I get an error. So I'm going to select every individual black piece and rotate it by 90 degrees. I've had to do this on many of my large projects, and it seems like I have to tell Design Space how each piece should be positioned on the mat. But doing this will allow you to continue with the cutting process. Once I have all my layers cut, I'm going to piece my black layer together first. Definitely keep your picture of Mario handy for reference. And once I have the black layer laid out, I'm going to flip them all over to be taped on the back side. Now, all you have left to do is lay out the rest of your layers on top of the black, and then you can start gluing each piece once you have everything in place. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafting videos. Thank you so much for watching.